Hello Emma，这是你们的饭，门口那一带，对，啊。Hello Enzo，Hello Ryan，Hello Grace. I'm sorry, my computer is really dead, so now it's back to normal. Okay. Emma 在吃东西吗？Emma，
What?
你在吃什么好东西
Me?
？Okay. Hello，哎呀，让你们等太长时间。I'm sorry. I was really frustrated. I'm sorry. Chapter the California roll. How about you turn on your camera? Okay, good.
Look, no dodos here.
Little Dodo 在啊。
Little doo-doo.
Okay, so first of all, everybody, let's just starting with the not connected. Oh. Okay, good. Okay, everybody, let's just do the calculation test first, okay? So because I know everybody's waited for a long time, so let's just do that to warm us up, okay? So 1, 2, go.
Wait, I don't have my pencil. Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
6做完啦
Yep.
Good job. 6做计算题还是不错的。咦，什么叫咦？
I mean.
那我说 little 做计算题不行。我说你做计算题挺好的，然后你好像有点不好意思。对，你现在有没有手机？你可以那个拍一下答案发给老师。
Oh, I don't have one.
Okay.
It was just scribbled numbers, so I could do it fast.
I'm done.
I'm glad I wasn't chapter. Oopsies.
Okay, times is up, everybody. 你们都数一下自己有几个，然后发给老师。
Okay.
发给老师 ，OK， 好，是那个伊森还没进来。OK，Evan 已经进步了 ，Evan，you have improved it already，OK？OK，very good。等一下，伊森还是进不来，我要看一下，我问一下伊森小朋友。OK， 好，小朋友们 ，So I have received Emma and Ansel. Very good. Okay. So Evan has already improved yourself, right? Compared last time, you already did better. 对不对？我们每次都跟自己比，不用跟别人比，好不好 ？OK, very good. 好，我们今天先要复习一下上个星期学的。你们还记不记得上个星期学的东西？
Clock.
Very good. The clock. This one is very useful. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to just review something. Let's do 12:30 and 2:15. So what is it? What is the degrees of that?
I know them straight away. I know them straight away. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, because if you do like the 15, 30, 45 or 12 is always going to be pretty easy, I guess.
那不能错啊。
I know.
错了就丢人了。OK， 好，我们看 12:30. So 12:30 will be something like 12 is here, but we're going to be 12 and 30. Correct, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
So because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and 30 degrees. And this one will be half of the 30 degrees, so will be 15. So 30 times 5 plus 15 equals 165 degrees. Emma, did you get it right?
Yeah, I got that right.
Okay, little Dudu, did you get it right? Little Dudu? Ryan? Ryan?
I was muted.
做对
I
了
was
吗
muted. Yeah.
Enzo?
有
Okay, so do you want me to explain again?
Yes.
Okay, so we are cutting this whole clock into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 parts. 首先我们把一个钟分成12份. Okay, so because it's 12 part, so each of the part will be 30 degrees. Do you understand this part?
Yep.
Okay, so now we have 12:30. So this is 12 o'clock. This is the hour hand. And when it's 12:30, this one moved towards, this is here. So 12:30 will be, the minute hand is pointing 6, 对不对? So we want to calculate the degrees between the hour hand and the minute hand. So these ones will be exactly 5:30. So 30 times 5 equals 150 degrees. And remember, because it's 12 and it's 12:30, so this hour hand is exactly pointing between 12 and 1. So the half of this 30 will be 15 degrees. So that's why it's 165 degrees. Okay, next one, little Dodo. Can you tell me how to do number 2? 2点15分. What is the degree of that? You tell me. Because you said you did it already. Okay, so the thing is, 下一个星期开始啊，我们所有的小朋友，上课之前让妈妈帮你们拍一下照片。Because you always tell me how much you did, how much you did. I never try and never tested. 然后 Enzo 的妹妹跟我也是在一起上课的。我们 Enzo 的妹妹都要把题目都要把这个做完的那个发给我的，对吧？我都说，哎呀，小朋友，我都觉得你们做好的肯定都是对的。我要看一看到底做的对不对，好不好？所以下一节课让妈妈在旁边帮忙一下，等我们把这个计算题做完了以后再让妈妈走。那有些小朋友说我妈妈不在啊，没关系的啊，你的电脑都有拍照的功能的，拍下来以后用 email 发给老师。OK， 好 ，Little Doodle Ryan， 你告诉我2点15分等于 what degrees？
And the 15 is here. Oh wait, that's
Ryan，你做完了吗？
yeah. And then the
那你
15
告
is
诉我
here. And the 15 is here. Okay, that thing right. And then the degree hold on. And then the degrees of this thing is 15 degrees, so 15.
So can you give me the number, Little Doodle? You said you already did it. You said you already did it.
what?
So give me the number.
What number?
What is the degree number? 数字2点15分，你做出来答案是什么呀？
15.
15 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay. So Enzo, what is, you didn't do it. Chapter, what is your answer?
15 degrees.
Okay, so everybody is the same. How about Evan?
15.
Yes, 15. Emma?
15.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So first of all, this is 2:15, right? So everybody, you're right for the number 3 because this is the minute hand is pointing 3. But let's take a look at this one. Oh, Athene 终于来了。Hello, Athene. Finally, you're here. Hello, finally, you're here. Okay, so everybody take a look at this one. We are the 2 o'clock. So this is 2 o'clock. This is 2:30. 2:15 is not here. 那小朋友们，老师问你们一下，如果 2:15 和 2:30，它的时针都是不动的，那 what is the differences between 2:15 and 2:30? No, when we talk about 2:15, the hour hand is moving up. Okay, so 老师来给你们看一下啊，2点钟是这样子的时针，3点钟时针就走到这里，看到没有？ So this process represents what? 1 hour. Everybody take a look, okay? So who can tell me 15 is what is a portion of 1 hour? 15分钟是60分钟，或者我们说1个小时的多少啊？对不对？ So in hour, there are 4 15 minutes. Correct? 4 times 15 equals 60 minutes. So that's why everybody, this is not 15 degrees. It is what? It's not 15 degrees, okay? Let me show you. The minute hand is like that. The hour hand is quarter of the 30 minutes. Sorry, 30 degrees. So it's 30 degrees divided by 4 equals 7.5 degrees. So this is 7.5. So what is the left? 22.5. So the degree of 2:15 is 22.5 degrees. Understand? Okay, so we're going to do another one. Who can tell me what is 6:30 and 6:15? Boys and girls, your turn. 6:30 and 6:15.
用这个放下去吧。
Okay, I think I'm done.
2道都做完了，Emma，把答案用那个chat 发给老师。
Okay.
Chapter， 你这个答案不对啊！你想想看，都超过360度了，怎么可能？
Oh no.
啊，超过360度。
怎么可能？
哈？
Wait, so you do like 6:30. So there are 2 questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, I have received some answers. So let me just to show you. Okay, so first of all, you have to have something like that, Enzo. Okay，如果你在做这个题目的时候，老师都要把图画出来的，你们不画的，那肯定做不出来。Okay, you have to have a clock on your side. You draw a clock. Okay, so draw a clock, Evan. It takes about like 1 minute. Okay, so what is my suggestion? Use a ball pen to draw a clock and use your pencil to draw the minute hand and hour hand. Understand, Evan? Okay, so then later on, the second question, you don't need to draw another clock again. All you need to do is just to erase it. So everybody, first thing first, I want to see every single one have a pencil ready and a ball pen ready. And right now, please have a clock like that, just like me, right now.
I already drew it.
每个小朋友都用钢笔或者圆珠笔把这个钟画好。
I already drew it.
OK。Ryan， 你已经弄好了，对不对
Yeah.
？OK。
The clock's not perfect, but
Okay, so everybody, you're gonna find out it's very helpful. Okay, so now the first thing is 6:30. So I first do the 30 parts. I'm going to use a different color. Okay, so this is 6, right? 30, and 6 is here. So think about it, Emma. So 6 is here, right? But the thing is, we're actually having what? We're actually having 30. So move. And Evan, so and chapter, what is it? How much we're gonna be for? How much we're gonna be for? We're gonna exactly half. Because it's 6:30, 对不对？如果是 6:15 就quarter. 如果是 6:30 就half. 如果是 hit 6:45 就3/4. 如果是7 o'clock 就直接到这里了，对不对？你看，如果是6:01就一点点，6:02就一点点。So this time is 6:30, so it's exactly the half. So this question is very easy. It's exactly 15 degrees. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now next question is even easier. So think about it. I just said, if this question, if I have is 15 degrees, okay, little dodo, take a look at that one. So if it's 6 o'clock, my hour hand is here. If it is 6:15, I move quarter of it. Okay, so the 30 degree of the quarter is how much, Emma?
7.5.
7.5. Very good. 7.5. But everybody, the minute hand is no more here. Understand, everybody? The minute hand is moving to where? Moving to here because it's,
Oh wait, no.
yeah, it's 6:15. So we have 30 degrees. So this is the degree we want to calculate. So 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and plus 7.5. So it's 97.5.
Okay.
Little Doodle, 你是不是少数了一个呀？
Yeah.
是不是少数了一个？可不可惜？ Almost right， 就少数了一个，太激动了，对不对？好了，我们看看 Emma 做对了，对不对 ？Chapter， 你看看你哪里做错了，对不对 ？Get it, everybody? Okay, we do another one. Okay, so let's do 7:30, 7:15. 然后我要再放一个难一点的 7:45. Okay, everybody. If you understand 30, you understand 15. 45 should be no problem at all.
Yeah, that's true.
It's the same thing.
Where's my pen? 7:30.
这道题目啊，加油，小朋友们！I trust all of you. You can do it.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Emma, check 一下你的 answer 啊。Make sure you don't make mistakes. Okay.
Okay, I sent it to Carrie.
Okay.
Oof. Hold on, I missed something on my last answer.
那你重新发一遍。
Okay, there. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
I'll send it to you.
I see.
Okay, so I have received Athenes and I have received chapters and I have received Evans. And Evan, don't worry, you're still working on the last one. Don't worry about it. And I have received Dodo's and also Emma's. Evan, I have to say I'm very, very surprised. You're doing very good. I see 你怎么了？眼镜怎么了？ Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. Okay, Grace, let's take a look at this one. 7:30. Okay, so first of all, we can put 30. Oh, sorry, I need to use a different color. So 30 is here, right? 7 is here. But 7:30 is exactly in the middle between 7 and 8, right? Because 7:30, we know it's half. So this one is 30 degrees, and this one is 30 divided by 2, because it's exactly standing in the between of 7 and 8. So it's 15 degrees. So 30 divided by 2 equals 15. So 15 plus 30 equals 45 degrees. Hey, Grace, you gave me a 15, give me a 30. I don't get it. You need to plus them together. So it's 45 degrees. Understand, Grace? Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at the second one, okay? So chapter, do you understand? Why 7:30 is like that? Because if you, I know there are a lot of you telling me that, you know what, my mom is telling me that we don't have a real clock at home. We use digital clock all the time. Yes, but the thing is, have you ever imagined the beauty of the clock? The clock is very, yeah, you probably won't believe me. Let me show you something. What a beautiful clock it is. Let me show you. They're very pretty. Okay, let me show you something. See? Are they pretty? Yeah, so this is, yeah, this is the real clock should look like. Okay, I know now it's all digital clock. It's like that. Which one you like better? Hey, everybody, of course these ones, right? Those ones so beautiful. And you know what? They represent a lot of things. We can calculate the angles. We can think about it, you know, the summer and
wait, hold on. Pause.
the angle of the sun.
Wait. Gary, my aunt has this one. Well, never mind. This one. My aunt has it.
Right? Yeah. This one, right? And I really love those ones because everybody think about it. Think of how beautiful those ones. Look at this one. This is a collection. Some people collect all the beautiful. Did you see that? The vintage clock. Okay, I don't like those ones. I mean, those digital ones is nothing fun, right? So we need to get used to that, right? We need to get used to that. So this is the thing. So chapter, when we look at 7:30, so 7 is not sitting on 7 anymore. It's moving towards to 8, but not 8 yet, because 7:30 is just a half of the thing. You see, 这个分针从12开始走，走到6，是不是刚好走了一半啊？所以说时针也走了一半。So the clock is like that. 分针每走一圈，时针走一格。
哦，好呀。
So 分针走360 degrees and the hour hand move 30 degrees. Understand? We need to have this one. So when the minute hand is only going to do half of the 360 degrees, so the hour hand is also do half of the 30 degrees, which is 15 degrees. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now, very good, Evan, you get this one right. Good job, okay? So see? So the calculation question you did is slower than the rest of the kids is because you come here so late, right? 他们以前训练了好多年，那你看这个是我们新的知识，你看你就会了，对不对？ Okay, so and you know, I want everybody in my class remember one thing: you never compete or compare with everybody else. You compete against yourself. Okay? 如果你的今天比昨天好 Emma, it is a success or not success? Emma?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, 好，我们现在，哎呀，我的题目都没了。Where is my 题目？这是7点30 45度。那我们来看看7点15和7点45，好不好？ Okay, so as usual, I'm going to do the 7:15. So 15 will be pointing this one, right? Chapter. So let's take a look at 7 is what? So 7 is exactly here, but the minute hand is just to go over quarter. So that's why the 7 will go quarter as well, which is 7.5. Correct, everybody? So 7.5. So this one 30, 30, 30, 30. So the answer is 30 times 4 plus 7.5. So equals 127.5. Congratulations, Emma, the pizza.
Oh, I got it too.
Congratulations, little Dodo. You make mistakes for the first one, but the second harder one, you get it right. Okay. Okay, so Evan, you get this one still right. Good job. And Chapter, you make mistakes for the first one, but the second one, good job. You get it right. And this one is actually harder than the first one. So Little Dodo and Chapter the California Roll, so-called the best friend. Woohoo! Making mistakes on the same questions, but you know what? The mistakes you made is different. Okay. And you know what? Little Dodo 觉得是15。Chapter 觉得30，所以你们两个人合在一起，哎，就对了。所以好朋友就要在一起互相帮忙，对不对 ？Okay, I think you understand. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay.
Right.
Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, 7:45.
Bruh. Carrie, there's no teacher assistant, what I call
Yeah,
TA.
I'm seeing who is doing great for this question. These questions, who is going to be
okay.
the teacher assistant? Of course. Okay, I'm not. Okay, so let's take a look at 7:45.
Look what a thingy said.
So 7:45 is no, little Dodo. You need to be more focused on the question itself.
Fine.
Okay, so 7:45. So 45 is pointing here. So think about it. 这个分针啊走了1/4，1/2，这里多少了？走了3/4了。Okay, so when 它走了3/4，那 our hand also did 3/4. So quarter, half, and 3/4. So let's take a look at this one. I want you to highlight it. So this is the degree we're going to do. So this is 30. And I know this is 3/4 has been passed, but what is left here is 1/4. Again, 7.5 degrees. So altogether is 30 plus 7.5 equals 37.5. Okay, let me see who get it right. Good job, Chapter. Chapter! 第一道题怎么会做错的？来，起来，自己打下屁股。
But I made it.
哎呀，第一道最简单，然后做错了。Very good, Chapter.
Carrie, I did it
And the
too.
little Dodo, congratulations, you get it right as well. And Emma, 最后一道题有点问题，对不对？It's okay. 我们到现在还没有一个人全对的啊。There's still nobody fully get it right. Right? 所以 Emma, Chapter 和 Little Dodo， 如果你们3个人还有那个 Evan 商量一下，说不定就能全对了啊。这次还是没有。Okay, so there's nobody can say, oh, I know how to do it so easy. 不行，还不行哦。还有小朋友有做错的，对不对？好了，我们现在来看一下，我要把题目加大一点点难度。4点半，5点15。
你是4点8。
9点45。OK。然后第4题送分题12点。OK， 好，4道题目，小朋友们，你们开始做吧。
Oh, I think the last one's the easiest.
不能说啊 ，Emma 不能说啊。
I already know the answer. Just write the last answer down and you're over.
不能说，不能说
What，if we say it?
不能说呀，不能说。噜噜噜噜噜噜噜。Ethan，要不要老师再教你一下？要不要？好。OK， 好，我们来看一下，你们不要那个 Enzo 也看一下啊。OK， 不太会做小朋友。So Enzo， 你们看一下啊，就不太会做小朋友，听老师再讲一遍啊。So we have a clock. Okay, so the clock definitely is what is a run, right? So I think you do know that, and Enzo. 如果我这个角度从这里出发，然后回到原点 ，this is a 360 degrees. Understand? Okay, so this whole clock has been cut into how many pieces, Enzo? How many pieces?
I'm just gonna check. I'm just
Enzo, can you answer the question?
Sorry.
啊，一共分成3份啊，那你来看看好吧，我们来数1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12，这个叫3份啊。
What is 12?
那你这个 3 从哪里来的？我想问你一下，这个 3，where did you get the 3? I want to know. Enzo, can you answer my question? Where did you get the 3? So my question, you just randomly pick a number and say, okay, I think it's 3. That is
What
not.
is 30?
Mhm.
It's from 30.
每一个一共分成12份，所以每一份是几度？360 divided by 12 equals
That's
30.
30.
So each of them are equal. Understand, and Ethan? So they're all the same, 30 degrees, right? So when we're talking about the angles, which is formed by the minute hand and hour hand, we need to draw the minute hand and hour hand on the clock itself. Okay, so everybody, did you, Emma, if you finish, please send me the answer, okay? So for instance, Enzo, we're going to start with Athene with 12:30, for instance, because 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you know how to do it. Okay, 12:30. So Athene, can you tell me if it is 12:30, where is the minute hand pointing?
26.
Very good. And when it's 12:30, where is the hour hand pointing?
12.
No. This is not. If it is pointing 12, that is 12 o'clock, not 12:30. This is 12:30. Get it? So that is the thing, because I don't know if your school ever told you how to read the clock. 因为分针在动，时针也在动啊，不是啊，12点的时候在这里，1点的在这里，时钟也在跟着分针动，分针走了半圈，时针也要走 from 1 to 2的12 to 1的一半。Understand? So the half, Enzo, can you tell me? So if the minute hour hand from 12 to 1 is 30 degrees, 那一半是多少 degree?
15.
Very good. So 15 degrees. So all of them will be 30, 30, 30, 30, and 30. So this is a degree. So it's 30 plus 30 plus 30. So 530 is 150 plus 15 equals 165. Understand, Enzo?
Yep.
Understand, Thini? 懂了? Okay. I have received, yes, you can go to bathroom. Don't worry. I have received California roll, and I have received Emma's, and I have received Evans, and have received little Dodo. Very good. Grace, 你有没有在听? Ah, no. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at the first one. So first one is the first one is 4:30. So who can tell me? So 30, the minute hand is pointing 6. So how about the 4? 4 is, the hour hand is pointing 4, pointing between 4 and 5, Enzo. Enzo, I'm waiting for you. You can simply say, I don't know, but you cannot just stand there and wasting everybody's minute.
All
You
right.
can say, I don't know.
I don't know.
Why you don't know? So I just explained it to you, like literally 1 minute ago. I said, if it is 12:30, the hour hand is standing between 12 and 1. So it's 4:30. So hour hand is between what?
4 and 5.
Thank you. So it is half of the 4 and 5, correct? So it's in the middle of the 4 and 5. So could you please tell me what is the degrees between the minute hand and hour hand?
Oh, it's 15. There.
15 plus
30,
equals
45.
45 degrees. Thank you. Good job. Okay. So Enzo, the thing is, I've been teaching you for such a long time. I don't believe you don't know. The thing is, you always put yourself into a safe spot. You think it's okay. When the class is over, my mom is going to teach me. So in the class, you're not trying your best. This is what I'm thinking about you, because I think you have the ability to compete every single student in my class, but you don't want to, because you don't want to feel the pressure. Understand? But the thing, see, I give you a little bit of pressure. I push you a little bit. You get it. Understand, Enzo? You
Okay.
can do it. Okay, so number 2, 5:15. So little Dodo, can you tell me where is the minute hand standing?
Okay. Let me get my thing out.
Can you tell me?
Okay. Why do you still have the thingy on?
Can you tell me the number?
A number? Okay. What is it? It is, I think, 67.5.
No, my question is, when we do 5:15, what is the minute hand pointing on the clock? So when it's 4:30, the minute hand is pointing 6. So when it's 5:15, what is the minute hand pointing at?
Minute hand pointing at 3.
Very good. Minute hand
And
pointing at
5
3.
is, it's like right here.
Okay, very good. So
I love
everybody
it.
take a look at this one. So little Dodo mentioned that this one is only what? It's only a quarter.
15.
Get it?
I mean 7.5.
Very good, because this minute hand is go over quarter of the clock. So that's why this one's also go over quarter of 30 degrees. So quarter of the 30 degrees, Grace, equals what? So 30 divided by 4.
30 divided by 4 is 7. Wait, no.
7.5, Grace.
7.5.
divided by 4 equals 7.5. 我们前面在说了啊 7.5. So this degrees answer is 30 plus 30 plus 7.5. So it's 60 plus 7.5 is 67.5 degrees. Okay, congratulations, Emma. Congratulations, Chapter. Congratulations, Evan. And congratulations, Little Dodo. So far, you 4 make them all. You did all of them, okay? Number 3. So let's take a look at number 3. So 9:45, 9:45, okay? So now I want to ask Evan, when we're talking about 9:45, the 45, the pointing is pointing which number? The minute hand is pointing which number?
9.
Very good.
Yay.
And how about hour hand?
Wait, what was the hour? Wait, what?
Hour hand is between 9 and 10, right?
Yeah,
But it's
between
more linear to 10, right? Because it's because the minute hand has go quarter, 3/4. So this one's also go 3/4. So this little angle is the angle we're talking about. So how do we do it? It's just a 30 times 3/4. Correct? So the answer is 22.5 degrees. So let me see. Get it right. Little Dodo and Evan. So you calculated 7.5 is this angle. Get it? Right? So we're talking about this angle because it's the angle about the minute hand and the hour hand. Get it? So we have to have very precisely Emma, good job. And let me see, chapter, good job.
What about little
Okay.
Tutu?
So last but not the least, 12 o'clock. This is a very naughty one. 12 o'clock, both minute hand and hour hand is pointing 12. So what does it mean? So I have received two different answers. The first one is 0 degrees and the second one 360 degrees. So both
Oh.
of them are right.
Oh,
Oh.
Both of them are right. You can either do 0 or 360. They're the same thing. Okay, very good. I'm so proud of all of you. Very good. Okay, so now, boys and girls, we're moving forward to
Wow.
today's thing. So everybody, we're still gonna practice. So 3:15, 6:30, and 10:45. And last one, I'm going to make it a little bit harder. I'm not sure all of you can do it. Okay, but I am going to try to challenge all of you. 6:20. Oh, okay. So something, think about it. When I'm talking about the minute hand is to go quarter, the hour hand go quarter, right? But minute hand quarter is like 1/4 times 360 because for 1 hour, minute hands actually go over the whole clock, right? So that's why it's times. But the hour hand for each of the hour is only 30 degrees, so it's quarter plus. So it's basically like that. So they're talking about the ratio. So 20 minutes, not something we learned it before, but I want to challenge you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 questions, all of you, your turn.
okay, 6:20. Interesting.
Oh. Well, the first one's got it.
Oh wait, no, I think I knew it.
Okay.
Ow.
And then
Okay, send it in.
and then 20. This one's kind of hard.
Which one?
This one's weird.
The last one?
Yeah,
Hmm.
it's kind of weird.
Okay, when you say that, let me just check again.
Third. I mean the fourth.
The fourth one's kind of weird.
I'm already done.
So the 4 questions are finished. 来来，你要看清楚啊，看看老师前面讲的东西。
Wait, did I write 7.5 or 75? Okay, 7.5.
Wait, 20.
Oh. Oh.
Wait, oh. Wait.
Oh.
It's not that hard.
I see. Okay.
I know.
Interesting.
It's not that hard.
I don't think it's that hard.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Goes there. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna send it. Risky.
Not that risky.
Okay, sent.
Wait. Oh. Oh. Mm.
Ian Ryan W. are weird.
Oh, this one.
Oh.
That's a page black.
No,
I don't
no,
like
watch,
page.
watch. It's random. It flashes.
I'm gonna make my background. No, I don't like bird. I'm gonna change it.
为什
Pure
么
white.
你在家里吗？
Ugh, looks
Who?
weird.
Me? No.
Like this white abyss.
I like this one. Actually, no, I don't like it. I'm gonna change it.
Potato. What am I? I'm a California.
Oh, this is gonna be a hard one. It's gonna be a long video, bro.
What is?
In 30 minutes. I think 30 minutes.
Oh, a background movie. I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna pin Ryan. Ryan has been pinned.
Okay, when I come out, do not laugh at me. I will block myself. Oh, no. Never mind. Come out of nowhere and change my background. I told you, it's gonna be a huge and long background.
I don't watch it. We only have
No.
like.
Okay.
We only have 16 minutes of class, but I'm gonna watch your background.
It's 1 hour,
fine.
okay?
Everybody,
Just
do
one.
you want me to explain everything? So the first
already got
question, 3:15. So when we have Emma, when we have 3:15, can you tell me how do you do this one?
So the minute hand's pointing at 3,
Mhm.
and the hour hand's pointing at in the middle of 3 and 4.
In the middle?
No, a quarter.
A quarter, very good. Middle will be 3:30, right? So it's like that. So it's more linear to 3 or more linear to 4.
More to 3.
Very good.
And then
Okay, so it's just a 1/4. So what is this one? So it's
7.5.
very good. 7.5. So this little guy, right? Okay, next one, 6:30. So I want to ask Evan, can you explain this one to me?
Wait, first, did I get it right or wrong?
So 6:30, can you tell me? So the minute hand is pointing.
The minute hand is pointing at 6,
Mhm.
and the hour hand is pointing between 6 and 7, I think.
So it's between exactly the half, the middle? Yes. Trust yourself, Evan. You're right, okay? Because it's 6:30, right? So now what is the degree then? Because it's in the
15.
middle, so it's exactly
15.
very good. 15 degrees. Okay, you just need a little bit confident. Good job, Evan, the sloth. Okay, Athene, 10:45. So can you tell me, Athene, what is a 45? The minute hand is pointing what?
9. Hello?
Yeah, so 9, very good. Okay, so how about 10 o'clock? So 10:45. 10 is here. So 45 will be more linear to 11. Understand, Athene? Okay, because it's almost to 11, but not yet. So we know this minute hand is go past 3/4. So that's why it is This one is also 3/4. So 3/4 times 30 degrees. So this one will be 22.5. And this one will be what? Oh my God, 30 degrees. So
Oh,
53,
I forgot to add the thing.
52.5. And good job, chapter.
I forgot to
And
add
let
the
me
30.
see,
Whoops.
Evan. 哎呀，少了个0.5 Evan.
Oh.
Okay, and Athene 少了个0.5，哎呀，Athene 差了一点点，哎呀，太可惜了，Athene 要掉下去。
Just one little half.
OK，little Doodle，你的30度到哪里去了？就算了个这个，啊，做好了，22.5。
I made it fly away. It
我
didn't
跟你
like
讲
me.
啊，
It
你以
flew.
为我出的题目是9.45，对不对？哈哈哈！你以为我就知道你这个小坏蛋，你会耍小聪明，我不会耍小聪明。我在这里挖了个陷阱呢，所有的小朋友都跳过去了啊。然后 Ryan 在里面，然后 Ryan 掉进去了，然后 Ryan 在这边叫 help。我挖了个陷阱，看一个一个小朋友都跳过去了。Emma 跳过去 ，Athene 跳过去了，都跳过去了，然后 Ryan 刚刚好掉在里面，哈哈！我跟你们说哈，你以为老师是玩的，随随便便就可以当老师的？我跟你讲，我们都是啊，跟老师 OK 好，我们现在来看一下 620啊，看这道题目有谁做出来 ？OK，620。So Emma, I want you to tell me. So if it is 6:20, the minute hand is pointing where?
4.
Very good. How about the hour hand?
Somewhere in between 6.
It's somewhere between 6 and 7, right? But it's obviously not half because you know what? 要过来一点，对不对？因为这个是6:30嘛，这个是6:45嘛，这个是6:15嘛，所以是6:20。Should be here. Get it, boys and girls? 好了，那我们看看这边一个马尔30度，这个一边马尔30度，没问题了啊，60度加上。现在的问题就是 this little tiny angle equals what？ 好了。
Oh, I know.
Okay, Emma.
In logic. So, basically the minute hand's pointing to 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's pointing to the fourth section, and then there's like 12 numbers in the clock.
Mm-hmm.
So if you split the 4 into, and then if you make the sections bigger, then you'll find out that it's 1/3.
Very good. Because 4 is exactly over 12 equals 1/3. 所以 minute hand 走了1/3，那 hour hand 也走了1/3，所以1/3乘以几啊？乘以30 because that all together is 30 degrees. So 60 plus 10 degrees equals 70 degrees. Great, Emma. 70. Chapter, give me 5.
Yeah, chapter was like.
And Athene 又忘了一个东西，把前面这个算出来10度 ，very good。10 degree 对了，对不对？然后这里2个少了，对不对？30两个30忘了加上去了，对不对？2个30忘了加上去，太可惜了，就差了一点点。Athene very good, okay, very proud of you. Let me see, Dodo. So this question is not right, okay? And Evan, do you understand? Okay, Enzo, do you understand? And Grace, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's move forward. Okay, so this time we're going to move forward. Very good. I'm so proud of all of you. So 7:20.
Oh, okay.
8:15. Number 3. 9:40. Uh-oh.
Oh, yay.
And the last question, I'm going to make it harder for you, I know.
Oh, I think I gotta know.
2:50.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh, this is actually pretty cool. Interesting.
Okay. I see.
I'm gonna do the
Can I go
first.
to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Bruh. The first one's very bruh.
Emma's so sad.
Why? Why am I so sad?
So sad, Emma. So sad.
Why am I sad?
2, 3. Okay. Wow, that's a nice number.
Yeah. But there's only one nice number here.
The rest are just mean.
That reminds me of something.
8, 15.
Mean. The mean.
One, 2. Oh wow. Okay.
Okay, next.
Oh, that is
But
next.
that's like here.
Okay, 940. Okay. This can't be that hard.
Oh, I think I have it. I think I got it.
940.
250. Bruh.
9, 40, 40.
250 is gonna be 10. 2.
Okay, so
Okay.
Emma's making weird sounds.
Okay. Oh, so that must be here. Oh, cool. Well, that's cool. So that's
2, 3, 4, 5.
that plus.
I think 250. Okay, let's see. I'm scared.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god, my brain's not working.
So 20 degrees.
Okay, I guess I'll have to do the math. That's required.
2, 5. Okay, I see you.
Okay, yeah, this, I don't think this will work.
Okay, let's see. That doesn't feel right.
Oh god, why is this one so weird?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45, 50. Okay. There, that goes there.
Okay, now why was I so dumb the whole time?
30.
All I needed to do.
1, 2, 3. 6.
Okay, I think
I'm 30.
I'm done. Me done. Okay.
Evan 好可爱。Evan 说 ，Okay, the last question, I give up. It's okay, 你跟 answer。
Really?
老师啊，从来没有说你如果就算不会做， 你看 Evan 说 I gave up. It's okay. Just give me reaction. 我一直跟鹏鹏说，我说我最讨厌什么时候？就我跟他说，我说你弄好了没有？然后他就眼睛看着我，然后弄得很可爱的样子。不，一点都不可爱啊！这个时候就不可爱了啊，这样子看着我。我说那你到底是弄好了没弄好呀？那你到底是说句话呀？来，我给你们演一下，就这样。
I accidentally sent my answer to everyone.
就这样，就完全没有任何反应。I hate that the most. And you know what, Enzo？ 我跟你说，你妈妈也肯定最讨厌这个。你相信老师一句话，你要是不会做，你就跟妈妈说：“哎，我不会做，你能再帮我讲一遍吗？”一点问题都没有，知不知道？老师也好，家长也好，最讨厌的就是。Look at me, look at me. Nothing, just like that, and no even facial expression. I was like, what? Okay, am I doing something wrong or anything? Okay, but everybody, I promise you that is the last part of today's okay? Ah, chapter, you have to admit that.
I'm gonna resend my answer.
Okay, 脑子是不是越动越好？
啊，
对不对？那一开始的时候是不是觉得挺难的？那想想也还好嘛，是不是啊？这个题目，对不对 ？Okay, let's do it.
Okay, now
哎，我发
privately.
觉我每次画这条线都画的不好，Every time, always this line.
me and Emma's answers are different. So
啊，你们两个人已经对答案了啊。
yeah, she sent it to everybody.
Can I see yours?
哎呀，Emma，
Oh,
你怎
I'm
么会
showing
背
you
呀？
mine.
怎么会被他们 ？Okay, so let's take a look at the 730. Okay, so boys and girls, let's take a look at this one. So 720. So first of all, 20是不是指的4啊？啊，这个我们一定要知道啊。20是不是就指的4啊？那我就指的4 ，understand？ OK, Ansel， 如果你不会看钟啊，这个东西你要让你妈妈好好给你补一下。Because you know what, this is very important. Okay. So 4, 对不对？7点20是不是指的4啊？那好了，7指在哪里啊？肯定不是指这里，对不对？也不是指这里，也不是指这里。好，老师再帮你们一下。如果有些小朋友这里还是不太懂的啊 ，Actually 我们可以7到8可以分成几份啊？我先把它分成4份。Each of them is 7.5 degrees. 好，到这里的时候就是7点，就是7点15、7点半、7点45、8点 ，get it? So the minute hand obviously is pointing 4, but the hour hand is pointing between 4 and 8, and is more than 15, but not yet 30. So we'll be here. Get it, everybody? So the degree is exactly here. 看到了没有？好了，那这里有几个完整的30啊 ？1, 2, and 3. So 90 plus. So this one, the whole clock, the minute hand is go over 1/3. So the hour hand is also go over 1/3. So it's 90 plus 10 equals 100 degrees. Congratulations.
Wait, Chappy, did we get the last one?
好 ，Athene， 你是不是这里又少数了一个啊？是不是特别可惜？对呀，你这个关键是图画课没学好。我跟你讲，画画课没学好呀。画画课，你看 Cindy， 看 Cindy， 大家快看 Cindy， Cindy， 我的头都要爆炸了。Emma 做对了 ，Chapter 做对了。啊，那个谁 ，Little Dodo， 哎呀 ，Little Dodo。Little
Brian.
Little Brian, okay? So Ryan, let's take a look at this one. A15. A15 我们就不多解释啊，已经做了很多遍了。So pointing at 15, so 3 and 8 is exactly so here, right? So 1 of 7.5. So 7.5 plus 1, 30, 2, 30, 3, 30, 4, 30, and 5, 30. Plus 150 equals 157.5 degrees. Little Dodo, Emma, Chapter. 哎呀，所以你这道怎么会做错？刚才会做呢，现在做错了，打屁股打屁股。Evan, good job. Evan, this one is right, okay? So 940, that's the same thing, 940. So we say 40这个时候分针指哪里啊，小朋友们？
40指8。
非常之八。Okay, so 940 is something like here. Okay, so technically it is this degrees. So this one's 30 degrees, so I'm only just calculating this one. So 30 plus. So 88除以12等于多少？2 over 3. 它走了2 over 3 of the whole clock. 那30 minutes, 30 degree 也是2 over 3, 对不对？它是这个大的这一部分。So times 30 equals 30 plus 20 equals 50. Congratulations, Emma. Chapter.
Happy got
Okay, so let's take a look at the last one, okay?
Uh-oh.
50. So the logic is the same. So 50, the minute hand is pointing 10. Okay, and 250, where's 2? So this is 2, this is 3. So 250 will be somewhere here. It's almost there, right? So this is degrees. I strongly suggest you doing something like that. I always do the degrees. So it's 30, 30, 30, 30, and this guy. So what is this guy? So think about it. The minute hand is almost 10 over 12, which is 5 over 6. So we put it onto the 30 degrees. So it's 30 times 5 over 6 equals 25 degrees. So 250 equals 120 plus 25 equals 145. And Chappy, if your answer is 215, which is this one, it is also right.
Good.
Okay, very good, Emma. Good job. Very impressed. Every single question, you get it all right. Good job. Very good. Very proud of you. Okay, so boys and girls, this part is very hard. Okay, don't think it's something easy. I trust all of you because you are amazing. Okay, you know what? For a grade 6 or grade 7 student, it took them about 2 months to learn these things, and we finished them in 2 weeks. Actually, within 2 hours. We're not even using the whole class to do these, just 2 hours. I'm so impressed with all of you. And you know what? Don't count on like, oh, why I'm not like maybe Emma is the best, right? But sometimes Emma making mistakes as well, right? And you know what? You're competing against yourself. And think about it, if you compete with your other classmates, they don't even understand what is the question talking about. That is true. Okay, so I want all of you to feel so good about yourself. But everybody, you need to go back home, and it's a whole entire week. You need to still practice all the time. Okay, so Athene, I'm not saying that you don't understand. You actually understood, but it's not very balanced, right? Sometimes you understand, sometimes you don't, right? Some questions. So if you spend a little bit more time, then you're going to be more understand. Okay? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Sorry, it's not this one. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So we're still, the proportion is the part that we learned before, right? And actually the clock angle is actually part of the proportion questions as well. Correct? So let's just take a look at this one. If we have 4 over 5 equals n over 15. So there are 2 ways of doing that. Way 1. I'm going to just review it. Okay, way 1 is what? Think about it. How to make 5 to 15. Athene. How to make 5 to 15?
Multiply by 3.
Very good. So the top, you do the same thing. 4 multiplied by 3. So n equals 4 times 3 equals 12.
Carrie, Avin the sloth,
Uh-huh.
apparently is asking us 1,000 times, can you go to the bathroom?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't check the chat. I'm sorry, Evan. Yeah, Evan, I think he does go already. I'm sorry. Evan, please go. I'm sorry. Yeah, and Evan turned off the camera. I think he maybe took the computer with him into the bathroom. Remember the joke? Do you still remember that? Yeah,
No.
one of my students took the computer, go to the washroom with him because he is going to the number two, and he forgot to turn it off, and the whole entire class and saw his little bump bun. And you know what? We recorded. Okay,
I was
because the
one
class
time.
is being recording, right? You know that. Okay.
But what time
So
was
way
it?
two. So that's why Evan's very smart. So Evan know that story. So Evan turn it off. So way two
When was
is
it?
we can do cross times. So 4 times 15 equals 5 times n. So 60 equals 5n. N equals 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Okay. So Emma said, "Hey, 老师, way 1 is much easier than way 2. 那我就不学 way 2了。可以吗？那我们来看看第二道题。14 over 7 and 4 over 9. 4 over n, sorry. 那14怎么变成4的？ There's no directly you can divide a number, right? So at that point, Emma, you see the cross multiple will be much easier. 14m equals 28, n equals 2. Get it? So I want you to learn both way. So some will be a teacher, or sometimes if you learn from somebody else, they just give you one way. You said you just stick to it. You just stick to it. No, everybody has 2 legs, right? Everybody has 2 legs. If one leg is not working, we can still jump. If you only have one leg and that leg is not working, then you end up no leg and you cannot move. Understand? So I want you to always walking with 2 legs instead of 1. So always having 2 methods instead of 1. So when we're having the life, it's always good to have plan B instead of just one plan. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now we're going to do number 1, number 2. Sorry, let's just do 1. 这个1、2、3、4、5、6道题。Okay, so boys and girls here.
What? I missed it.
Evan missed the explanation.
Evan missed the instruction.
Huh? But
I missed the
oh yeah, Evan.
instructions.
Yes, I can just teach you very quickly. Evan, take a look at the first one. So 4 over 5 equals n over 15, right? So there are 2 ways to do that. So way 1 is you can just think about it, how to change 5 to 15 times 3, right? So because the bottom times 3, the top also times 3, so 4 times 3 equals 12. So n equals 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, there's also the way 2. So 4 times 15, so it's cross multiple. So 4 times 15 equals 5 times n. So 4 times 15 equals 60. 60 equals 5n. So n equals 60 divided by 5 equals 12. So both of them get the same answer. So just to explain to everybody, it said, some people said, okay, Teacher Carrie, way 1 is much easier than way 2, right? But sometimes, so some students said, I don't want to learn way 2. I just stick with the way 1. But think about the next question. So 14 over 7, Evan, equals 4 over n. So do you know how to make 14 to 4? If it is 12, you can divide it by 3, but it's not, right? So 14 is not divisible by 4. So you cannot directly using the way 1. But way 2 is much easier. You see, 4 times 7 equals 28. 14 times n equals 14n, so n equals 2. Get it? So you can decide which one to go. But it is always good to have 2 different ways, and they can always help you to solve the problem. Understand, Evan? Good. So do the question which I circled. And I leave the demo here. So if you don't understand, you forgot what is a way 1 and way 2, you can still copy and using the question.
I'm just speed running through everything because I'm almost done.
做对更重要啊。
Yeah, I know.
Right. Carrie.
Finished, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Hold on, I'm almost
Check
done.
your answer, okay? Make sure there's always everything is right. So, boys and girls, so the first question I would ask Enzo, can you tell me 3 over 4 equals n over 16? So n equals what?
So 4 times 4 equals 16.
Okay,
So 3 times 4 equals 12.
so n equals 12. Very good. Okay, number 2. Good job, Enzo. See, you can do it. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So, how to make 3 to 9? Okay, so I'm just to give you the hint. So Grace, can you tell me what is n equals to?
3 times 3 equals 9.
3 times 3 equals 9. So that's why this n equals 5.
15.
5 times 3 equals 15. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at number C. I want to call Evan.
Okay, but I kind of did it in a different way. I
Yes,
did
it's me.
A1, A2, and then B, and then I didn't manage to
Okay, no
finish.
problem. So how about we do this one?
Okay, wait, I just, is it 18 or something?
So this one, so how to make 4 to 12?
3, multiply 3,
Okay, so 6 times
3 equals 18.
Okay, very good. 6
Right.
times 3 equals 18. Very good. Oh, very good, Evan. So little doodle. So can you do this one?
That one is 15.
Doodle doodle. 你做了吗这道题？
I did. I can't find my answer though. So it's 15 15 over 12, which equals n over 8. And what's the oh, I messed up. Never mind. I forgot to time the bottom one.
You 没有啊。Emma,
I
can you
messed
tell
up the
me this one,
calculation.
number 4?
Huh?
I did 1, but then not the second.
Like the number B, number 2. Well, okay. So, wait, that's
Actually, I did.
I did them in a different order, so. Okay. So, this one it's not divisible. So, it's 12 times n and 15 times 8. So 12n equals 120. So n equals 10.
There. Good job. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so next one, number C. So Athene, can you tell me how to do this one?
So you have 7 times 4 equals 28.
Mm-hmm.
So 16 divided by 4 is 4.
Very good. Good job, Athene. Last but not least, I want to ask chapter the butter. Sorry, chapter the California rule.
Dare you? You call my name wrong. Okay, 5 times 4.
I fixed it, chapter.
Yeah, but still. 5 times 4 equals 20.
Mm-hmm. So 20n equals 60.
And then 60 divided by 20.
So n equals 3. Correct, everybody? So
Yeah.
understand? So very good. Okay, so this part I think we understand pretty well. So the rest of them, it should be your homework. So now let's take a look at the word problem. So how to use these ratio to do word problem. So number one, I want to call Evan, the slot. Can you read the question for me? I'm tired. Can I just take a snap?
What? Lisa ran 3 miles in 21 minutes. At that rate, how long would it take her to run 5 miles?
So how to do this one? Lisa ran 3
Oh,
miles in 12 minutes. At this rate, how long would it take to run 5 miles? Everybody? So let's take a look at this one. Do we know how long it take her to run 5 miles? We don't know. We just say n. Okay. So 21, 3 miles and 21 minutes equals what? Because the rate is the same. Equals n. Sorry. Equals 5 over n. Correct? Get it? So how to do this one? We cross time. So 21 times 5 equals 3n. So 105 equals 3n. N equals 35. Get it, everybody? Okay, so number one, please do it again. Okay.
You send it? Probably.
wait, do we do all the questions or
No,
just the
first one.
first
Just
one?
the first one. I want you to fully understand. Okay. So number two, Manuel biked 12 miles in 45 minutes. At that rate, how far could he go in 1 hour? So for this question, there's a one thing，这边是 45 minutes，这边是 1 hour，可不可以直接用？不能直接用，我们把 1 minute 变成1 hour 变成多少 minute？60 Understand? Okay, so the question will be 12 over 45 equals n over 60. Okay, so it will be 720 equals 45n, so n equals 1 and 45, 45 and 1 is 7, so 6. So 16 miles. Understand? Okay, so today's homework will be part of them like doing the calculation, like the clock thing. Remember, we're going to still do the clock thing, and part of them will be the ratio. Understand? Good, everybody? So yeah, we just because I start late, so I give you extra 5 minutes. I just did cover the 15 minutes late, and I give you extra 5 minutes. So I know we almost take like 2 hours 2 hours class, but everybody is still very excited. Good job. Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're going to see each other next week. And remember, during this week, please practice the angle thing, okay? Because next week you come back, if you're not practice, I can guarantee you everything you forget. Okay? Bye, 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 bye.